Hi everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, back out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. We are back out here on day 2 in Overland Park, Kansas. We are in the process of trying to wrap up the exterior digging, which is going to be relieving all of that external pressure causing these foundation walls to lean inward. We are about halfway done with the front wall. This is the last one that's left, so we just have this little bit left to do. Once all this excavation is done, we will be able to move inside tomorrow, start getting our 6x6 treated wood support posts in place, both running horizontally directly under the ceiling joists and with verticals coming down. We are going to slightly raise those joists off the top of the foundation wall so we can then use our combination of 90-degree angle iron, 6x6 treated wood support post, and 30-ton bottle jacks to start straightening these walls back to vertical. There's a chance we may have enough time to start the straightening process on one of the walls tomorrow, but we should have the majority of that happening on Thursday. Once the walls are all straightened, we will take care of our crack repair with epoxy injection on the inside. Any kind of cracking like you see here on the 3 outside walls, those will be sealed with a combination of fast setting epoxy and polyurethane, and then a final coat of commercial foundation tar. Once that tar is on and the walls are pushed, all the cracks are sealed, we will then be able to finish up the project by installing about 20 of our steel H-beam wall braces across the 3 walls. So just a quick overview again, we have the front north wall right here. We have the side east wall that we wrapped up the excavation on earlier today. So you can see right here we have a number of cracks that are going to be sealed before it's all said and done. And then the back south wall, we were able to get all fully excavated yesterday. So again, the idea behind doing all of this excavation in the process of straightening these foundation walls is there's so much pressure from the earth that just over time is pushing on these foundation walls, and it causes them to lean inward. So by doing all this excavation, we relieve all that pressure, so we're then able to just simply push against air. Just like we said in the video yesterday, it's a lot easier to push against air than it is against earth. So it takes a little bit longer, but on this job, we're making decently quick time, especially with all the rain we've been getting. So yeah, I would stay tuned for further updates on this. Tomorrow we should be starting the inside work, so the rain really won't impact us at that point. So again, you'll be able to find those videos on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Piers LLC. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.